A momentary loss of power can shut down hospitals, financial institutions, data centers, air traffic towers, business-based infrastructures, and telecommunication systems. Detect unusual events in the primary power source and automatically disconnect and reconnect a secondary one can ensure the continuous delivery of electrical power. In the EM platform, you'll be able to monitor devices dedicated to this automatism. We have 3 widgets dedicated to the automatic transfer switch. ATS Diagnostics show the automatic transfer switch diagnostics. ATS Source Status shows the source status of the automatic transfer switch asset. ATS Transfer Time shows the total transfer time from priority, normal, to non-priority emergency source. Compare the measured time with the preset threshold pass-fail. Under the grid interface data, you can instead monitor your CMUFD installed between the renewable energy system and the public grid. Under Overview voltages, frequency, status of inputs and alarm summary are displayed. Under Device, it is possible to see voltages, last trip reason, trip counter, restart delay, frequency and error summary are displayed. Alarms from the devices are displayed here. For a better visibility of status, UFD provides a higher number of alarms, and these are presented in multiple pages in the widget. Configuration tab shows the device ID and its serial number.